How are you today? That's good. I'm so great today. Thank you so much, friends. Today we are going to learn about Indonesia season. Today we are going to learn about Indonesia season. Today we are going to learn about Indonesia season. After you learn this topic, you will be able to mention kinds of season in Indonesia and you can differ kinds of season. So, happy learning and happy watching! Miss Anissa has a new song for you about Indonesia season. Miss Anissa wants to sing this song together with you. So, let's sing together. 1, 2, 3. Hello friends, look outside. There are seasons to in all. Look outside and you will see it is rain season. It is raining all the time. Let's take the umbrella up. Look outside and you will see. It is rain season. Hello friends, look outside. There are seasons to in all. Look outside and you will see. It is dry season. It is sunny all the time. Let's put on your sunglasses. Look outside and you will see. It is dry season. Look outside and you will see what season will be. Yay! Good job. Let's sing one more time. 1, 2, 3. Hello friends, look outside. There are seasons to in all. Look outside and you will see it is rain season. It is raining all the time. Let's take the umbrella up. Look outside and you will see it is rain season. Hello friends, look outside. There are seasons to in all. Look outside and you will see it is dry season. It is sunny all the times. Let's put on your sunglasses. Look outside and you will see it is dry season. Look outside and you will see what season will be. Yay! That's a song from Miss Anissa. I hope you like it. Yay! How's about the song, friend? Do you like it? Yes, of course. Okay, friend. From this song, you know that Indonesia has 2 seasons. There are rain season and dry season. There are rain season and dry season. There are rain season and dry season. So Indonesia has 2 seasons, rain season and dry season. That's really good. Okay, friends. First, rain season. Rain season can happen from October to April. Rain season can happen from October to April. Rain season can happen from October to April. So, in those months, there will be always raining all the time. So, you have to prepare the umbrella or even raincoat when you go outside. You have to prepare the umbrella and raincoat when you go outside. You have to prepare umbrella or raincoat when when you go outside. Good job. And sometimes, friend, there will be a stormy day. Yeah, in this season, there will be a stormy day. Yeah, so you have to be careful and just stay with your parents. Can you do that? Yes, of course. Good job. The second one is dry season. Dry season. Dry season. Dry season can happen from May to September. Dry season can happen from May to September. Dry season can happen from May to September. So, in this season, there will be sunny all the time. There will be sunny all the time. If you go outside, it is too hot. So, you have to put on your sunglasses when you go outside. You can put on your sunglasses when you go outside to protect your eyes. That's good. Friends, in this season, sometimes you can see some trees and some plants are going to dry because it's too hot. So, you can water your plants and your trees more often. You can water your plants and trees more often. Can you do that? Yes, of course. Good job. And friends, sometimes in this season, there will be windy day. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Do you still remember? Windy day. Yeah. In this moment, you can play a kite at the outside with your friends. You can play a kite at the outside with your friends. Can you do that? That's good. Now, friends, let's look outside. Okay? Look outside. Look outside. Look outside. Ooh, I see a sunshine so bright. So I use my sunglasses to protect my eyes. What season it will be? Is it rain season? If it is yes, you can answer like this. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But if it is not, you can answer like this. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Good job. Friends, let's look outside one more time. Let's look outside one more time. Look outside. Look outside. Look outside. Ooh, I see a cloud becoming dark. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 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 drops. I take my umbrella up. So, what season it will be, friends? It is dry season? If it is yes, you can answer yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But if it is not, you can answer no, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It is rain season. It is rain season. Okay, friends, Miss Anissa has a story. So, Miss Anissa wants you to look, listen, and answer the question. Look, listen, and answer the question. 1, 2, 3. Today, the sun looks so bright. Lolly plays a kite at the outside. When Lolly is playing, she sees some plants going to dry. Then Lolly takes some water and she water the plants. Then the plants come back to grow and fresh. Then the plants come back to grow and fresh. Ooh. Can you guess what the season is it? Yeah, good job. It is dry season. It is dry season. It is dry season. Great job, friends. Now, the second story. Look and listen. Look and listen. Look and listen. Today, the sky looks so cloudy and dark. The sky looks so cloudy and dark. Then Lolly sees some drops falling to the ground, and the ground becoming wet. The ground's becoming wet. Ooh. So Lolly takes the umbrella up. Then the umbrella makes Lolly still dry. Ooh. Can you guess what the season is it? Good job! It is rain season. It is rain season. It is rain season. Wow, you are doing great, friends. So, friends, there are two seasons that Indonesia has. First, dry season and rain season. Dry season and rain season. Dry season and rain season. Thank you, friends, for learning with Miss Anissa. Okay, friends, so now you can tell me kinds of season in Indonesia. That's really great job. Friends, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for learning with Miss Anissa. I hope you like the video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and learn every time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe Miss Anissa channel. Thank you. See you later.